Here is how to open a checking account at US Bank and receive a sign-up bonus. First, find the promo code. You can do this using Google or any other way. When the page opens, make sure it clearly says that you will receive a sign-up bonus. Otherwise, you may get a donut's hole. I want to get a $450 sign-up bonus, so I'll click the blue Earn Your Bonus button. On the following page, click on the blue Apply Now button. Then enter your actual zip code to make sure you are eligible for the bonus. Next, US Bank suggests simplifying the process if you already have an account at the US Bank. Otherwise, you'll have to enter all your personal information. It shouldn't take much time anyway. Next, I have to enter my username and password and click the blue Login button. Then, I must pass two-factor authentication. The US Bank sends me a 6-digit verification code as a text message and I type it. Then, I click the blue Continue button. On the following screen, I must verify information about my citizenship status and residence. I also provide information about where I will get funds and how I will use the checking account. Then, I scroll down and click the blue Save and Continue button. Next, the US Bank offers me the option to double-check personal information. Please notice the promo code field has the code. I scroll down and click the Save and Continue button. Next, the US Bank wants me to confirm some essential details. First, legal documents will be sent via email. I agree. Next, the US Bank wants me to review the terms and conditions. I checked that I had an opportunity to read documents. Then I certify that my SSN and other information is correct and accurate. Then I click the blue Apply button. After a few seconds, I saw confirmation that my application for this account had been approved. Next, I choose how to make the first deposit. For some reason, I wasn't able to use my debit card to make a deposit, so I had to link my Capital One 360 account and deposit money from there. So I logged into my Capital One account and clicked the green Sign In button. Capital One wants to ensure that I am comfortable sharing information about my accounts with the US Bank. I check that I want to share only my checking account information. It is a standard procedure. The next step is to enter the amount I want to deposit. I decided to deposit $30 and click the Add Money Now button. In the following step, I select the style of my new debit card. Click the Save and Continue button. In the following step, I can save my account and routing numbers and set up direct deposit of my paycheck. That is how I opened my US Bank checking account.